Introduction. Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, your ultimate destination for everything two wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 GasGas MC 450F, one of the most thrilling motocross machines of the year. GasGas has been making waves in the off-road world, and with this latest release, they continue to push the limits of power, agility, and performance. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a weekend warrior, this bike is built to impress. Let's take a closer look at what makes the MC 450F a standout in 2025. Power and performance. At the core of the 2025 GasGas MC 450F is a 449.9 cubic centimeters single-cylinder (SOHC) four-stroke engine that delivers a perfect balance of brute strength and rideability. This engine is derived from its KTM and Husqvarna siblings, ensuring cutting-edge technology and performance. With top-end power and linear torque delivery, this bike is designed to conquer any motocross track with ease. GasGas has fine-tuned the MC 450F's ECU mapping, ensuring crisp throttle response and smooth power delivery across the rev range. The addition of traction control and launch control gives riders an extra edge, optimizing performance in different track conditions. Whether you're ripping through straightaways or navigating tight corners, the MC 450F delivers unmatched precision. Lightweight and agile chassis. The MC 450F features a chromoly steel frame, engineered for the perfect balance of stiffness and flex. This frame design allows for superior handling, offering both stability at high speeds and responsiveness in technical sections. With an optimized aluminum subframe, the bike remains lightweight while maintaining durability. GasGas has also introduced a refined swing arm and rear linkage system, ensuring better traction and shock absorption on rough terrain. Whether you're landing from big jumps or hitting deep ruts, this chassis is built to keep you in control. Suspension, precision handling. Suspension plays a crucial role in motocross, and GasGas has equipped the MC 450F with the latest WP-Zact 48mm air forks at the front and a WP-Zact rear shock at the back. This combination provides progressive damping, allowing for both plushness on small bumps and resistance to bottoming out on hard landings. The adjustability of the suspension lets riders fine-tune their setup based on their riding style and track conditions. Whether you prefer a softer feel for technical tracks or a firmer setup for aggressive riding, the MC 450F delivers. Braking and control. Stopping power is just as important as acceleration, and the GasGas MC 450F does not disappoint. It comes equipped with high-performance Brembo hydraulic brakes, featuring a 260mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc. These brakes offer excellent stopping power with a precise feel, ensuring you can confidently attack corners and slow down when needed. The hydraulic clutch system also enhances control, providing a consistent feel and effortless operation even under intense riding conditions. This makes it easier to maintain control during long motos or when riding in challenging terrain. Ergonomics and rider comfort. GasGas has paid close attention to rider comfort, making sure the MC 450F provides a natural and aggressive riding position. The flat seat profile allows for easy movement, helping riders shift their weight effortlessly. The new handlebar bend and adjustable foot peg positioning offer improved rider ergonomics, catering to different riding preferences. The plastics and bodywork are also designed for maximum comfort and functionality. The narrower shrouds make gripping the bike easier, while the minimalist design keeps weight down without sacrificing durability. Electronics and rider aids. In 2025, motocross bikes are more advanced than ever, and GasGas has integrated cutting-edge electronics to enhance rider performance. The MC 450F comes with traction control, adjusts power delivery to maintain traction in slippery conditions. Launch control, optimizes power output for explosive starts off the gate. Quick shifter, allows for seamless upshifts without using the clutch, improving acceleration. The handlebar-mounted switch allows riders to toggle between different engine maps, enabling them to adjust power delivery based on track conditions. Whether you need maximum power for deep sand or a more manageable setup for hard-packed tracks, the MC450F has you covered. Wheels and tires. The 2025 GasGas MC450F rolls on high-strength, lightweight aluminum rims, paired with Dunlop Geomax MX33 tires. This combination provides excellent traction and durability, allowing riders to push their limits without worrying about grip loss or wheel strength. The rear wheel features a black anodized hub, reducing unsprung weight while adding a sleek look to the bike. Whether you're hitting whoops, berms, or jumps, these wheels and tires are built to handle it all. New graphics and styling. GasGas is known for its bold and striking designs, and the 2025 MC450F is no exception. With a refreshed red and white color scheme, along with sharp, aggressive lines, this bike looks as fast as it rides. The new in-mold graphics ensure longevity, preventing fading or peeling even after heavy use. A red frame combined with updated plastics gives the bike a factory race-inspired appearance, making sure you stand out on the track. Who is this bike for? The GasGas MC450F is built for riders who crave raw power, agile handling, and race-ready performance. Whether you're a professional motocross racer looking for an edge on the competition or an experienced rider who enjoys pushing limits on the track, this bike delivers in every aspect. With its powerful engine, lightweight chassis, premium suspension, and advanced electronics, the MC450F is designed for those who demand the best in motocross performance. Final thoughts. The 2025 GasGas MC450F is a top-tier motocross machine that blends power, precision, and modern technology. From its high-performance engine to its race-ready suspension and electronics, everything about this bike is engineered for winning. If you're looking for a bike that offers a perfect balance of aggression and control, the MC450F is one of the best choices in the 450 cubic centimeters class. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 GasGas MC450F. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to subscribe to Bike Zone Pro for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motocross bikes. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the MC450F? Would you take it to the track? Until next time, ride hard and stay safe.